do so many students feel confused even before starting IELTS? Some think it is just an English test, but then they fail. Some think it is very difficult, so they never even try. Today, we are going to clear everything.
Honestly, I'm one of those students. I keep hearing IELTS, but I don't even fully understand what it is. Is it just grammar or speaking English with someone?
Welcome to English Chat Studio, your learning space for real English conversations and IELTS success. In today's episode, we will understand IELTS from zero. No confusion, no difficult words, just simple truth.
Good, because I always feel lost when people talk about IELTS bands and tests.
Let's start very simple. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. It is a test that checks how well you understand and use English in real-life situations. It is not just grammar. It is not just vocabulary. It checks 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, speaking.
So it is not like school exams?
Exactly. It is not about memorizing answers. It is about communication.
But why do people need IELTS? Good question. People take IELTS for studying abroad, working in other countries, immigration, professional certification.
Okay. But why do students find it so difficult?
Because they prepare the wrong way. They focus only on English grammar rules, but IELTS is about skills and practice. Let me break IELTS into simple steps. Step 1, understand the test. You must know the format first. Don't start preparation blindly. Step 2, know your level. Are you beginner, intermediate, or advanced? This helps you plan better. Step 3, practice all 4 skills. Don't only focus on speaking or writing. Balance is important. Step 4, learn exam strategy. IELTS is not only English. It is also time management and strategy. Step 5, practice daily. Even 30 minutes daily practice is better than 5 hours once a week.
Do I need very advanced English to pass IELTS? No, this is a big myth. Even band 6 or 7 can be achieved with clear communication, simple vocabulary, regular practice. You don't need perfect English. You need effective English. Let's take a simple IELTS speaking question. Do you like reading books? A weak answer. I like books. They are good. A better answer? Yes, I really enjoy reading books, especially fiction novels. They help me relax and improve my imagination after a busy day. Oh, so I just need to expand my answer naturally? Exactly. Speak more, but stay natural. Remember this, IELTS is not about being perfect. It is about being confident, clear, and consistent. Every student starts from confusion, but practice turns confusion into confidence. That actually makes me feel better. I was scared before, but now it feels possible. Let's quickly summarize. IELTS is an English skills test. It has 4 parts: listening, reading, writing, speaking. It is not about memorization. Strategy and practice matter more than perfection.
I think I understand now, but I still have one question. What is your biggest fear about IELTS right now?
Yes, tell us in the comments. And in the next episode, we will talk about how to start IELTS preparations step by step from zero.